everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Instacart app is not working, loading slowly, showing a 500 server error, or you're unable to check out, don't worry, you're not alone. According to Down Detector, many users are currently reporting problems with the Instacart app. Most reports are related to the app not loading, checkout issues, and server errors. Since this appears to be a server-side outage, there's usually nothing wrong with your phone. You can still try these steps. Restart the Instacart app. Check your internet connection. Update the app from the Play Store or App Store. Clear the app cache on Android. Wait for Instacart to fix the server issue. Once the servers are back online, the app should start working normally. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more app fixes. Thanks for watching.